we have discussed the euro per se, and so now let's take the dollar and finish it, and then we're going to take the pound. So the first, now we're looking at the dollar yen, and take a look over here. We all know that the US dollar below the 81.12 is considered below the structure point and is a bear market. And as you can see, the capitulation from the 81.12, which is the 81.12 over here, and this has happened on Friday. And the low that we placed on Friday is around 80.69 or 80.70. Now we're trading about 80.86, about 16 pips from the low, which is not really that big a positive sign. But what it says to us is this: it confirms the story that we have seen in the euro yen, that it's coming close to the structure point, which is the 15.63. It's sitting around that point again. So this means the yen primarily might begin to weaken, but it is trading at 81, 80, 87 or 80, 90. My buying point, my structure point is right there, which is the 81.12. So I am not going to play around by buying it unless it gets above the structure point, because you see now the major downtrend that we have coming right to the structure, bouncing off and then capitulating again. So we're not going to buy it unless it gets above the structure. And this is also a no-brainer. We're not going to sell it unless it trades below the 80.69, because now this is when it broke the structure, this is where it stopped. So I will only sell it if it trades below where it has stopped. So it is again an easy trade for us, the dollar yen. We're going to be buying above the 81.12, which is our structure point. And if I do that, then so my long point is my structure point and is my long stop. I'm only going to short below the 80.69, which is the lowest day from yesterday. And if I do short it below 80.69, I'm going to place my stop above the market side, which is the 80.85. So my stop is going to be 80.85. I have it 80.49, so I make it 80.45, 80.85. And my structure short is still the same, 80.24. That is my structure short point, and that is my stop. Okay, so the dollar yen again is rather easy for us. We're going to buy it right above 81.80.12, which is our structure point, and it is also, so my long point is my structure point and is my long stop. On the short side, I'm going to short it below 80.69, which is the low of Friday. And if I do, my structure short point is 80.24, so it's about 25, it's about 50 pips away from my short point. So at least I have 50 pips that I can ensure to gain on that move. And if it breaks below the 81.20, below the 80.24, then it should take me to the if it breaks below the 80.60, then it should take me down to the next structure point, which is the 80.24, and my stop on the short side is the 80.85. Okay, that is the dollar yen.